What's going on, everyone? So today we're taking a look at the Makita 18-volt LXT. This is the impact gun. Model number on this XDT14T. Comes in a kit with two 5.0 batteries. I'll put the link in the description below. Let's get it started. The Makita quick shift mode 3-speed impact driver. This thing is ballsy, man. I'm just going to come out and say it. I am really impressed with how powerful this thing is. I'm going to show you the kit. We're going to drive some lags into a 4x4 that's treated. We're going to take off some lug nuts on the truck. But check this out. You get not one but two 5.0 18-volt Makita batteries in this unit. You also get the battery cover right here. You'll get the charger. The one thing that always drove me crazy about the Makita chargers was you can't hang the dang things on the wall. I don't know if I'm the only one that this drives up a wall, but would be nice if I could do that, Makita. Just saying. The one thing I will say about this kit, you know, with the case, this thing is huge. You can not only fit the two batteries on the top, you know, you get the impact gun itself, obviously, but you can keep a battery on this and actually fit it in. This thing is really, really nice. I'm surprised how big the case is, and it's really easy to be able to put everything in there. There's a lot of room. It's built really well, and it's definitely going to protect that tool. So it's always nice to see those hard cases. I really like this thing, and another nice thing about this, you can actually put a lock on this as well if you wanted to. You know, I know somebody can take it, just walk away with it, but you do have that option to lock this up if you wanted to. Really nice case. Now, on the website, they're saying that this thing weighs 12.5 pounds. I'm just not feeling that. It feels a lot lighter than 12.5 pounds to me. Now, as for torque, you're looking at 1550. If you're looking at the RPM, right, 3600. Comes with a nice belt clip already installed on it, and it's the 1/4-inch hex. It does have the brushless motor. The build quality on this, just like every other Makita tool, very well done. Really comfortable in the hands. I just can't get over how much power, and you're going to see it, that this little impact driver is producing. Now, you do have a couple different modes here that you can switch between. You got the high, the slow. You also got the T mode, which actually downshifts, reduces the rotation and the impact speed prior to driving the screw into place. Now, I really like that all you got to do is hit that button to select those modes. My only issue is that you actually have to pull the trigger to get this thing to allow you to do that. It won't just let you do it after it's been sitting for a while. Again, you got the 1/4-inch hex right here. Real simple to put those bits in or take them out if you want. Now you got the forward, reverse, and the lock button right there. I will say, oh, by the way, you got the LED light right here. I will say that that lock button was getting in the way a little bit just because, you know, this thing is so small, my hand was coming up into contact with that and locking it accidentally. So you just got to be careful with that. But we're going to drive some 1/2-inch lags without any pilot holes. We'll start it out on high, then we'll go with a medium, then a low speed, and then we'll put it on the T function where it actually downshifts and allows for better control. Now, FYI, the microphone's pretty close to this, so you might want to turn down your volume a little bit here. Absolutely no issue with that, no bogging down at all. That was really impressive. Alright, now let's go in the medium setting. And just to show you the difference between medium and high, check this out. So there is a pretty big difference between the two. Alright, now let's move it down to the lowest setting, a lot more control. Now, FYI, the gun is not stopping by itself. I'm actually stopping it. The reason for that is I just wanted to show you how much control you have on the low speed. Now, it would impact that the whole way down through the 4x4, but mind you, this already had the hole made. It probably wouldn't do it if I didn't have that pilot hole already there. Alright, so this is the T setting. I like this. You can tell that it's adjusting how much power it actually needs without going too fast or too slow. Now if I pull this off and put it back on, check this out. I didn't switch the setting. It automatically knows that it was struggling and it's ready to go again. That's a little bit more power. Out we come. I have other drivers like this, and I basically just leave it in this mode. I mean, it just determines what you need. You can see I picked it up, brought her back down, and it knew it. It knew how much I needed, and it just sank it. Alright, now we're going to drive some general purpose screws into the treated 4x4 using the Makita bit. And FYI, these are my favorite bits out on the market today. Alright, let's put this on high. And I gotta be honest with you, I got my heater going, sorry. It is freezing out here. No issue, I mean extremely fast. It's impressive how much power this gun actually gives off, man. Alright, now let's go down into medium. Powerful, but definitely more controlled. Let's go into slow mode here. I'll be honest with you, we really wouldn't use that all that much. Alright, now let's go into the smart mode here. You can tell how that starts out really quick and then slows it down as you start driving it in. Alright, lug nuts off the truck. Check out how fast that is on high. Crazy. Alright, let's put it on that smart mode now on the T. See what it does here. Now what's nice about this mode is you don't have to worry about busting your lugs or anything else that you're really trying to drive, because it does register how much power you need and it slows it down when it starts getting a little crazy. Now I have never been one to come off as a Makita fanboy. I always like their tools, but I have to say I am really impressed with this impact driver. This is definitely not the last time you will see this driver on this channel. I am so impressed with this. We're going to put this up against the Milwaukee Gen 3s, the DeWalt's, all that fun stuff. It is really something else. Again, major props to Makita on this driver. Just so many different functions. It feels great in the hands. I really like the kit that this comes with, the charger, the 2 batteries. And just to be downright honest with you, I was not expecting it to perform as well as it did. Look for more videos with this beast soon. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, check us out at toolreviewzone.com. We'll be back with more reviews soon.